Hello there, friends, and welcome to Bulabing Travels. By the way, I'm Bing. This is what I do, and I enjoy it. Before I start, guys, with our topic for today's extra video episode, let me remind you first to please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button for you to get notified every time we have a new upload. Okay, let's begin with our discussion. Our topic will be the challenges of all YouTubers, or also known as YouTube content creators, and their struggles. This is also an applicable information for new YouTubers and YouTube wannabes. I will introduce each one of them and the details will further discussed after. Okay, so here we go. First one is number of subscribers, watch hours, the YPP approval, getting paid, and the last thing is number of subscribers. These are the subscribers count of your channel, and this increases whenever people like your video upload and end up subscribing if they like your content. You will have a great advantage if you have a huge circle of friends that are willing to support you. You have an existing platforms with numerous viewers already for your channel promotion. You are well known or influential person like celebrities. Your channel have a good content that attracts viewers. All this requires more effort on your end. The disadvantage, however, if you have few friends, no social or virtual experience, so you have to learn more, and this requires more effort on uploading video that must be consistent. You also have to have a high engagement on YouTube community. This challenge needs more patience until you reach the 1,000 subscribers of YouTube to access more features on your channel. After reaching the 1,000 subscribers, you will receive a congratulation email like this, and you are now part of the Opal Club, which has a 1,000 subscribers count to 9,999. And then you can apply to YouTube Partner Program, but only if you reach the 4,000 watch hours, which become our next challenge. 4,000 watch hours. You can access or check your watch performance on YouTube Studio like this one. For me, it's the most hardest challenge because it's all require more content upload to generate more viewers and to increase your watch hour. And it really takes some time to pass this unless if you have a video upload that went viral. YPP or YouTube Partner Program approval. It gives the creators greater access to YouTube resources and features. Your channel will be reviewed after the minimum eligibility and gets approval after you pass the application process, like your channel follows YouTube policies and guidelines, verification of your Google account, you've reached 1,000 subscribers at minimum, you also have reached 4,000 watch hours, and then you agree and sign the YPP terms. You also have a valid AdSense account, which is very important, so make one prior application. Your channel now is approved once all pass these requirements. After the review and your channel now is approved for monetization, that means you can enable monetization so that ads will be viewable on your video upload. But don't be complacent, because you will have to stay active by posting more videos on your channel. Because if not, like 6 months of no activities, ads can be removed or can be disabled by YouTube. After generating more viewers and generated earnings as well, you will then look forward for your pay, and that is getting paid. Getting paid. This is about the AdSense payment. There are also steps needed for you to get paid. But remember, before you get paid, you must also reach the minimum threshold of $100, or the account balance must reach $100 21 days after the processing period. And also, other information must be key in on your Google AdSense account, like tax information, the personal PIN, or the Google AdSense will mail the personal ID number when you reach the threshold, and also to verify your address. And lastly, the form of payment you prefer. The last challenge will be, how dedicated are you to remain active on your channel in terms of creating more content, time spent on continuous learning, be it on research to get more content inspiration, especially by others, and also learn more skills in terms of video editing and recording, especially if you work alone on your platform. Spending some extra for gears needed to improve your raw content. And of course, provide yourself a stable internet connection. So to recap, the challenges are the 1,000 subscribers, the 4,000 watch hours, the YPP approval, getting paid, and the fifth one, your dedication. So there you have it, guys. I hope I was able to impart much needed information to you all. If you think you have what it takes, don't hesitate to start, guys, especially if you enjoy what you're doing. Join the YouTube community now and see yourself grow. This has been Bulabing Travels on my extra episode. I hope you guys subscribe on my channel and see you again next time. Thank you! Our topic will be the challenges